Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2002 Honda Goldwing with 44,484 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, passenger foot pegs, an aftermarket exhaust, and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, electronic locking luggage, an intercom, an onboard computer, and we've installed the new front tire on this bike. A titan of the metric touring class, the Goldwing doles out impressive power while being one of the most comfortable motorcycles for over 3 decades. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 799 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.